Hi, and welcome to Research Methods with me, Ty Kateman, broadcasting to you nearly live from my home office in beautiful Wilmette, Illinois. Today is Monday, July 18th, the first day of our 5 weeks together. Today in Module 1, we're talking about a proposal. What is a proposal and what is it useful for? First, what is a proposal? A proposal is a document that allows you to convey to a reader what you are interested in researching and how you plan to go about doing that research. In order to do this, the plan contains several components. Those components can be found on page 607 and 608 of the text, which is chapter 20. And that gives you the basic guidelines or the basic structure and skeleton that a proposal is, from which a proposal is composed. Those sections, those components are introduction, methods, data analysis, protection of human subjects, schedule and budget, and references. Well, we're going to be dealing with the introduction in this Module 1 and part of Module 2. The components of the introduction are statement of the problem, literature review, statement of the hypothesis, and significance of the study. So literature review is going to be put off for Module 2. So let's talk about the statement of the problem. You have 3 things due for this assignment for the Dropbox in Module 1. And that is statement of the problem. What's your problem? What do you hope to solve? Like, could it be dropping out of high school? Could it be ending domestic abuse? Could it be improving counseling, community counseling, some sort of problem along those lines? What's your hypothesis about how to solve that problem, which may be would more resources or better educated counselors or a different political climate be the solution or the answer? A hypothesis is what's your best guess of what would solve that problem. And then the significance of that study is if the problem were to be partially solved, how would it improve society, or how would it improve your school, or how would it improve your counseling department? And then within that, we also have the background of the study, which is just a few paragraphs on that illuminates for you the subject and the background of it. Sorry for the interruption there. I should have shut off my phone, but you know, this isn't quite live. It's pretty close to it, but we'll deal with the distractions. Okay, so the background will just be doing the Dropbox is just a few paragraphs on illuminating for you and for your reader the importance of your topic. What are some of the background facts? Why is this necessary to do? And that basically is the introduction section of a mock proposal. And now, why are we doing a mock proposal? The mock proposal is intended as a hands-on method for you to learn about the research process, meaning that what somebody goes through in order to construct research. And the logic here is that if you go through that process yourself, then you will be able to reflect on where you made mistakes, what you did well, what you did poorly, where the limitations and strengths of your ideas are. And the carryover, the takeaway from that is that when you eventually read someone else's research and you understand the frailty of that research process, that inherent flaws exist no matter how well you try to put it together, then that will give you some handholds and some footholds into doing some very authentic critical analysis with regard to things that you'll see as strengths and weaknesses that you may use to justify or to attempt to criticize someone else's analysis on a subject that you're interested in doing. So in essence, that's what we're looking at in Module 1. Now, instead of having to watch more of my ad hoc video here, I'd like to invite you to view the professional video of my guest speaker, Sam Fala, who will walk you through the process of putting together a professional research proposal. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in class.